12/6/24. We have the infamous cracked exhaust manifold repair on the '97 Civic. So this should be a wrap on this video. We actually have two wraps on the video. First wrap and second wrap. This is the second wrap. We put a steel epoxy on there first, and then we heated up with the heat gun, and then we put one wrap without the O2 sensor, and then we did the heat gun again, and then the third layer, which is the second wrap, is with the O2 sensor in there, so you can see the O2 sensor is pretty locked in there, and then the heat gun again. Then it's been about 3 hours with some natural sun heat on here, and then we do have a crack from here all the way over here, and then that continues down on the other side of the exhaust manifold. Pretty much the crack goes into the O2 sensor. It comes out of the O2 sensor. This is probably a much better candidate for welding, but we are trying to cut corners here and see if this is a good gamble. So it's about $30 of material, $10 for the epoxy, and probably $10 each for each of the fiberglass wrap. So we're gonna drive this car and hope for the best. We did do the epoxy steel paste underneath with the vacuum cleaner in the back, sucking out as we apply this wet epoxy that hopefully will get absorbed into the crack. And then that's about it. All right, wish us luck. Whisker out.